know something's about to happen? Do you know that? You do know that. He said, something's happening and it's exciting. Oh.
He said, "Oh, Bobby, what are you doing?"
Oh boy, Grumpers. It's so exciting. It's so exciting. So what is this, Daddy? What is
He
this?
said, "Oh."
Oh. Daddy made the baby some delicious sweet potatoes. Oh boy. Alright, Zozo. You gonna taste it?
I
Yeah?
think I put a little bit too much water in it.
No, don't be upset. Ready?
Next time I put less water.
What's that? Hmm.
He's so confused. He's like,
What is this? Oh,
he
you
said,
like
"Oh,
it?
mommy."
Yes. This is the stuff you guys have been eating without me. This is it.
He said, "What is this that you're doing?"
More? More. Yes. More. Mmm. I think he likes it. Ready? Yeah. So busy talking, he can't eat. Oh, look at that. Now you're trying to
George
George
Allen.
Allen. So crazy.
Oh my! He's
What?
spilling it everywhere.
Oh man. Mom is spilling everywhere, boo boo. Yeah. Ready?
He said, "This is so good, Bobby."
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. You ready to eat? Okay. You're not ready to eat.
You full now? Was that your tablespoon already? I think I only put a tablespoon in there. One of them I put a little bit more. Yeah.
Grandpa, you doing so good. You are. You are. Oh man. Mommy's a little rusty. I haven't done this in 6 years. Yeah. Ready? He's ready.
Okay, he might be finished.
Yeah. Mmm. Yummers. Just a wee bit more. Like 2 scoops left. Are you going to eat the 2 scoops? Are you done? You done?